So we sold some more wood. It is drying a little. Trying to get this ahead for next season. As you can see where the sun gets to it, it is starting to crack some. So Joe and I did finish this the other day, and yes, I did help her during the big windstorm. Joe will have another cord done. So I did have to do some work on the truck this weekend. The little dump lever down there broke, and I was on the local delivery right here close by. Couldn't get the box up or down. I had to cut the cable and finally got it load dumped, so I had to go get a cable today. 241,000 miles. This is the lowest mile truck we have. It's a 2003. Well, Jill's got her cord on. I got the new control cable on, so we're going to see if Jill can dump it. She's never been able to dump the box before. Well, she got it dumped now so she can get the box down. A lot of the planes up here in the wintertime, or most of them, have skis on them so they can land out on the snow, and the bush pilots up here, most of those guys are pretty good. She got it, she's happy. So I'm going to put the little tote underneath, and she's going to run a couple spruce logs, beetle kill for her bundle wood. That's doing really well. So I'm going to change the chain on the processor. It's getting a little bit dull, so I'll take it off and sharpen it, put another one on, and I'll take and get ready for tomorrow. Woodrow, you don't look very happy. So if you're not familiar, Woodrow is our woodman. We didn't have any snow here up until the 9th of January, so we couldn't build a snowman, so we made a woodman. And he actually got a little bit sunburned. He was too close to the fire over there a couple weeks ago, so he decided to stay over by the mill out of the wind. So you can see, doesn't make too big of a mess. Half an hour will be cleaned up. It'll look like brand new. So I got a couple saw logs I'm gonna save out. Pretty nice birch. We actually have a neighbor that's done me a couple favors, was looking for some birch to trim out his house, so I'm gonna just take them up and give them to him, and he can saw them out. He's got a nice little I think it's a woodland bandsaw mill, so I'll take them up to him this weekend. So you're getting ready for a cruise.
Yes, I am. I'm so excited. Being 80-degree weather, oh yeah. It's about 50 degrees warmer than it is right now here.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
Yeah, it is.
So we just want to bring you along today. Quick, try to get a couple videos ahead. When you see this video, Jill will be on her cruise.
Oh yeah.
And Jeff and the poor dogs will be here holding the fort down, processing wood, loading up the bundle rack.
You won't have to bundle. I've already done a bunch, 50 ahead.
So last year I sold 35 while she was gone that I had to make. And I didn't get to pocket the money. She got the money.
That's how it goes.
That's her cruise money. So I'm trying to figure a way I can skim some off the top while she's gone, but I haven't figured it out yet.
Nope, not gonna happen.
So You can see some of them logs are pretty ugly, Joe, because that was an ugly load. That was the nice stuff. I took the ugly stuff and put it back on the trailer. So what we'll do with that, I'll take it over in the RV park. I got a pile over there of big stuff. Some of it's hollows. You can see that big one. And we'll just give somebody a discount on that. We have a lot of people that go north, have boilers. They're looking for discount wood, and we'll give them a really good bargain on that. And clean it up. And if not, we saw it up, and a lot of that we use for ourselves.
Of course we do.
We always get the junk wood, it seems, but I like that big bodied wood. It seems to burn better. So we keep the sawdust flying in the Alaska Woodyard.
And thanks for coming along.